Get maximum sexual benefits. Bigger and long-lasting erections. Maximum pleasure and intensified orgasms. Surge in sex drive and energy. Ramps up stamina and staying power. Increased sexual confidence. Experience vitality and peak performance. Order your Enzo Last today and experience sexual power, pleasure, and performance. Click below link in video description to get free trial of Enzo Last. Are you suffering from the following symptoms? Leading surveys on sexual health and satisfaction levels among men have revealed the following. 67% say sexual health impacts on overall life satisfaction. 63% of men suffer from small penis syndrome. 37% believe embarrassment is a major sexual barrier. 19% avoid sex altogether because of lack of sexual confidence. Let me introduce Enzo Last Male Enhancement System. Enzo Last Male Enhancement is a male enhancement system that has been formulated to restore your sexual youth and performance and help you experience an intense, blissful, and powerful sex life. Enzo Last Male Enhancement is proudly made at a certified manufacturing facility to meet statutory industry standards. You can enjoy the benefits of Enzo Last Male Enhancement with confidence. Let me explain the science behind Enzo Last Male Enhancement System. Enzo Last Male Enhancement helps boost both to help you and your partner enjoy intense orgasms and complete satisfaction. Enzo Last works by triggering the two mechanisms known to increase penis size, function, and performance. These are an increase in free testosterone and nitric oxide production to the penis. Enzo Last is the only product that does both. Enzo Last contains the most potent nitric oxide stimulators which maximize the delivery of the active ingredients to your penile tissue, giving you firmer, longer erections. Order your Enzo Last today and experience sexual power, pleasure, and performance. Click below link in video description to get free trial of Enzo Last. Let me explain the benefits of Enzo Last Male Enhancement System. Enzo Last Male Enhancement System offers multiple sexual health benefits to help you enjoy hard erections, increased stamina and peak performance, improved libido and sex drive. Get ready to experience a torrent of desire and passion with Enzo Last, which replenishes sexual energy stores across the body like never before. Increased staying power. Bid goodbye to premature ejaculations. Enzo Last floods your penile chambers with a gush of blood, letting you last 5x more than usual and helping you last all night long. Bigger, harder and longer erections. Enzolast lets you achieve rock hard erections on command, helping you and your partner enjoy insane sexual sessions whenever you desire. Improve sexual confidence. Equipped with youthful sexual powers and energy, you are sure to experience sexual confidence like never before. Gives you greater success with the most desirable women. Increased penis size. Increase in penile chamber capacity and regular boost in blood flow may help add those inches to your penis size, both length and girth wise. What other peoples are saying about Enzo Last Male Enhancement System? Enzo Last Male Enhancement is truly the best male enhancement system in the market. Unlike other products that have synthetics, Enzo Last Male Enhancement is made with herbal extracts and botanicals which have been clinically proven to boost virility. I did a thorough research before picking up the product and the results have been truly phenomenal. Highly recommended. The age-related issues were very frustrating and no pill seemed to work. When my friend recommended Enzo Last Male Enhancement, I decided I will give it a try and I'm glad I did. It has helped me boost my sexual stamina, size and confidence. And guess who is a bigger fan of Enzo Last Male Enhancement than me? My wife. Order your Enzo Last today and experience sexual power, pleasure, and performance. Click below link in video description to get free trial of Enzo Last.